how to connect your Apple Pencil to your iPad A16. So at first, what you're gonna need is your Type-C to Type-C Apple cable, your Apple Pencil, and of course, your iPad ready. This is somewhat optional, but you can go ahead into your iPad settings so that you can make sure later that your Apple Pencil is connected properly. So what you're gonna do now is go to your Apple Pencil and open up the little slot so you can find the Type-C plug. Once you've done that, you can plug in the Type-C cable, one end of it, and then the other end to the iPad charger plug. So once you've done that, it will automatically detect the iPad Pencil and it will automatically connect. So as you can see, it should just pop out in the top and then you can test it on the screen if it works. Once you've done this once, you don't have to do it again. You can take out the cables since it's going to be a one-time thing, and you can just disconnect it later if you'd like, but that's pretty much it. You can test it out if it works, and that is how you connect your Apple Pencil to your A16. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.